Hello, I received your question. I'm not sure whether you're doing it by hand or using a graphing calculator or StatCrunch. I like using StatCrunch for these problems. Uh, and we want to use the normal calculator. And so if you click on Stat Calculator and then choose Normal Calculator, this box pops up. We're not told. I guess the mean of the population was 91 words per minute, and the standard deviation is 10 words per minute. Then they told you took a sample of 20, so the standard deviation for the sample would be the standard deviation for population over the square root of the number in the sample, and so standard deviation for sample would be 2.2361. Now the mean for the sample would be the same as the mean for the population, which is 91. So I come down here and I put in 91 for the mean, and I put in the sample standard deviation, and I guess the question asks. Let me go back and look at the question wording. It says they want to find out, the top 5%. Okay. Uh, and so I put 5%, and they want to see what exceeds that, so I have greater than or equal to. Now I'll let you finish it. I mean, if I click on compute and then round the answer 2 decimal places, that's the correct answer. I hope this helps.